Hi everyone, and welcome again for another video tutorial here in this series, talking um, and going deep into the subjects of what words means across the computer field. Some of these words, um, hardware, software, coding, programming, operating system. Um, I'm gonna show you something really interesting. Most of the information, I again, I'm not saying that it's a solid, but most of the information I'm gonna share here would be across multiple platform of AI, and the reason is just to, gain as insightful ideas as much as possible how AI uh, comprehend and understand what does operating system means. Remember, in the end, AI has been fed and trained by men and women out there. So, and it's very interesting, really. I'm gonna share with you how AI understood what operating system means. Besides, I want to share with you as well what I truly believe, and that's my opinion. What is the operating system that is being used right now for cities, states, counties, districts, countries? Again, it's like the computer world. Each country, state, city, they have their own operating system. There's a big main one, there's a mini one. So it's really interesting to grasp that as well and map it to the computer world. And that's really where it really boils down to when we compare it to something like city infrastructure and country and counties and districts. That's really where it boils down when I say with operating systems comes great responsibility. It's fascinating. So I'm gonna start sharing my screen here and share with you the first question here about operating system. So basically, what is an operating system? And it's amazing how I would like actually to know if you're getting the same thing in the comments. If you like to comment and share also your findings about the AI platform that you use and what you think about it. I'm using 4 or 5 different AI platforms, as you may have tell already if you watch my previous videos. So as you can tell, it's going through all the functions of an operating system, which is absolutely amazing how it breaks it down. Man, it's really amazing to go through what AI has put together. However, please always like if you wanna copy something or use something of AI, just make sure it has the right information, because it's a computer, so it sometimes get things mixed up. But the interesting part I want to share with you here is basically what I was talking about, that the city, the analogy, operating system as a city government, OS role, just as a city government manages resources, infrastructure, and services to keep the city running smoothly. An OS manages computer resources and software. This is awesome. Key comparisons, resources allocations, process management, you name it, security, user interfaces. Man, it's just amazing. So again, I don't want to bore you with too much information here reading. Um, um, you may have it already on your screen. But the point here that I want to really bring to the table, that understanding what really operating system means is a crucial, in my opinion, through all your IT career. Because that's where it will create a professional and responsible and awareness, if you will, in your subconscious mind. That's how I see it, and that's how I recommend it really for if you are new out there, or even if you've been in the field for a while. Um, you probably may agree with me that operating machines, computers, servers, infrastructures is really critical. And you are the professional behind these systems. So having a grasp how critical these systems is and what they do to the infrastructures and to others, that's where I say with operating system comes great responsibility. So as you can tell, another AI here, Cloudy, does really awesome work on breaking down what operating system is. Now, not every one of them compares it to a government functions, if you will, or to a city, but they do good work. Now, I'm gonna actually feed it here. I'm gonna share with you. Um, I'm gonna share with you this, and I'm gonna feed a question into the AI. I'm not sure how many of you heard about what is Uniform Commercial Code, but in my opinion, and based on what I read and what I know about Uniform Commercial Code or US codes, in my opinion, this is the operating system which set of rules and policies and regulations and set of law. I mean, that's what the operating system in the computer is. That is what is running, as far as I know, the states, the counties, the cities, this here, the Uniform Commercial Code. So knowing that, again, I'm not saying you need to really know this, but I found it interesting that when I took that question, I'm gonna share with you. Jan here gave me a amazing list as well about what is an operating system. And here is the question that I'm gonna share with you about UCC. So I put this together, by the way, and I kept it the way it is because I like the previous answer that AI gave me. So I'm hoping that it will give me the same thing. So I said to the AI, that's great. Now, can we consider that Unified Commercial Code, United States Code, and the legalese system is the operating system of a civilized state, the way Windows or Linux is an OS for a modern computer. Man, you will be amazed by the output here. So, yep, this is, it confirms to me that that the unified commercial code is basically the operating system for, as far as I know, the states. I'm pretty sure probably on the rest of the world as well, they have something similar. Here we go, enter, and man, you will be really glad, in my opinion, to read this, because it gives you that amazing mapping, and I always find it fascinating. So, conclusion: the legal system functions much like an operating system for a civilized state. It provides the rules and processes that govern behavior, allocate resources, resolve conflicts, and protect citizens' rights, ensuring that society runs smoothly and fairly. Just as an OS creates a stable environment for computer applications, the legal system creates a structured environment for societal interactions. So I found that really fascinating. It's awesome to know and to map all these informations and different systems together, the computer and the city and the infrastructure. Let's see, amazing how different AIs shows different things, by the way, and it's just an amazing learning process, in my opinion. Look, it's just perfect, man, perfect. So yeah, if you wonder what is the operating system of the United States, or I believe UCC also across the globe, then here it is. It's the UCC, the Universal Commercial Code. And I'm pretty sure you can, if you like, dig more into this. And that's the operating system that runs cities, governments, and districts. I believe the UCC code, the United States code, runs the District of Columbia. I hope you found this really interesting. I really did, man. It's awesome how to map all these components of the computers, the software, the hardware, to an ancient thing that mankind been using for a while. And these are cities, civilized cities, and running UCC as operating system. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video.